1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede, coming from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Stones under my thumb. So this song is an F sharp, but I decided to put a cape on second fret so we get some nice open chords for beginners and for the acoustic guitar. Alrighty, so second fret, we got E minor. Two songs in E minor. We got D. Let's just play D, not D major, just one. First finger, third finger. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got A major. Okay, so the feel for the song is pa 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 E minor, D major, C major, E minor, C major, verse, E minor, D major, E major, C, da, 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 da. G major, open up a little bit. C, A, verse again, come on. D major, C, C, E minor, D, 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 C. Open up, strum, G, pre-chorus, C, A, and E minor, D, C, and G. Very simple and great song on the acoustic. Okay, so let's review before we hang up the phone. So we got the verses: E minor, D, C, E minor, D, C, with the pa 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 da da, and then we get to the G. Then we want to start strumming, open up a little bit. Which takes us to C and A major, and back to that rhythm again for the chorus. And then they hang on the G here before second verse. I think they hang on the G every time. Cool. Thanks Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow with more songs. And be safe. Take care. Have a good Sunday. Thank you.